exposing the secrets behind gun silencers. You won't believe how simple yet complex they are. When a gun fires, the gunpowder explodes, creating a loud bang. Enter the silencer, a cylindrical device attached to the barrel. Inside, it's a maze of chambers and baffles. These structures slow and cool the hot, expanding gases from the explosion. This process reduces both the noise and pressure of the bullet's exit. But here's the twist. It's not completely silent, just quieter. So next time you see a silencer in action, remember it's all about gas dynamics and clever engineering. Cool, right? Thanks for watching.